Maybe you're a landlord already. I get a lot of people on my commercial courses that are residential landlords. And over the years, they've pretty much had enough. You've got Section 24, you've got seemingly endless tenant rights. They can do what they want, not pay you. Well, how about the world of commercial property? You probably think, oh, commercial, that's hard. Residential's hard enough. Here's the good news. It is so simple. It is so simple because it's business to business. Your tenants have got virtually no rights. And that's fair because they're a business. I understand why residential tenants have got rights because they live there, for goodness sake. But if a commercial tenant doesn't pay, boom, 21 days later they're out. It's called CRA, Commercial Rent Arrears Recovery. How about maintenance? How about you don't do any maintenance anymore? So a standard commercial lease is an FRI, full repairing and insuring. Anything breaks, tenant pays for it. In fact, when the tenant moves out, they've got to pay dilapidations. They've got to put the building like it was when they moved in. So if they've been in it 20 years, they've got to do a full refurb on it, change all the carpets, paint everything. In fact, normally they have to paint everything every 3 years. So just the fact it's a full repairing and insuring lease means that you've got peace of mind, you've got nothing to do. Anything breaks, they fix it. You can even get them to pay the letting agent's fee. How about that, the commercial agent's fee? But the final part of why I know you're gonna love commercial property is the returns that you can make. Okay, what you do now is just click on the link below and register. And what we'll do is we'll give you instant access to our 4-video series on commercial property. Now, it's really important when you get access that you watch it in order, because I go through the process of, you know, how do you find them and how do you fund them and how you can get commercial property freedom in just one deal. Typically, it's pretty much all it takes. And it's completely free. So all you need to do, click on the link below and take advantage. Don't miss out. Don't kick yourself in 10 years' time when someone says, oh, commercial property. Oh yeah, 10 years ago I had the chance, but I didn't do it. It's free, for goodness sake. You've been wonderful. I've been Paul. See you on the training.